Hi, my name is Edwin, and in this video we are going to go through the school management system that is used to edit and add content to the school app that is developed by Tech Education Technologies. We'll get right onto it. The basic application will be accessible through your laptop or desktop, and once you access through the link that will be sent to you, you will reach a page like this, where we have on our right here, this is where the basic edit happens. You can add pages or you can insert content from this end, and from this other end it will be able to show you how the content that you edit looks or is presented. So this is what we had already developed, but we will go through each and every module to show you exactly how to edit each and every page. So for instance, the page that we are on is the school portal page. If you would like to change that, the home, to be let's say the notice board, all you do is bring the notice board up here, and you can do this and set as home page. So the notice board becomes the home page. You can choose any of the pages here to become the home page. Also, you can add and edit any other page that you'd like. So the notice board looks like this. It's basically a newsletter page where you can put up news and any events. The school portal is used to access the school management system if your school has applied for that and has it set up. The school management system is a product that we also offer to the schools. So we can have a look at one of our pages here, which is a timetable page. So to add a page, all you have to do is, so you can see here we have grade 1, grade 2. So let us do an example to add grade 3. So what you do is just come here and click on the 3 dots and come and add a sub page, and just come and name that sub page. So here we can name it grade 3 and hit done. So we can also add a sub page to grade 3. So for instance, here for grade 1 we have done 1 east, 1 west, 1 north, and then there's a sub page also for that, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, just to show you how the timetable would look. And let's add a sub page here. So this is also a tutorial for how to add sub pages to your site. So here we can add grade 1 1 3, or this is 3 east. Done. We can add 3 west, 3 west. Good. Then you can come to 3 east and add a sub page. Maybe now this is Monday, and say here done. And let's add Tuesday. So Tuesday. Good. So we can go to Monday and put up now the timetable here. So let's copy our timetable we had done here for 1 east Monday. We can copy this, but you can just create it. Just type, you can type a new timetable, but for now we are just going to copy this to make it quick and easy and fast for our demo. So we can copy here and just come down here to 1 north, and you said on Monday. So sorry, it was grade 3 east Monday, and I come here and say insert a text box and paste it here, and voila, you have your timetable here. So any changes you make, you have to hit publish. You will go ahead and see the draft. This is what has changed. Here it shows you everything that has been altered, and so you need to hit publish again, so that the changes will be effected to your application. So it says here site published successfully. You can choose to view it, so it will show you something like this, and this is how it actually looks from the Android app. Yes, so we can go ahead and look at the next module we have here, which is Google Classroom. So Google Classroom is a collaborative tool. You can create a classroom by going to www.googleclassroom.com, or just search Google Classroom and go ahead and create a classroom and assign your students. So your students will receive an invite through their email, so that they can use that to join your classroom. So you just pick this here, and we can say like Miale, this is a demo class, and we pick this URL and just copy that and come here, and you come and you come and insert a button. So a button, and you can say this, click to join Google Classroom. So this, your students have to have a Google account, a Google Gmail account, so that you can add them to your classroom and they can access. So we can publish this, and this is your draft. So you hit publish, it says published successfully, so you can view this and come here and try this out. So it will take you to your Google Classroom page. So this would be your classroom page that your teachers would have created. So the main disadvantage of Google Classroom is your students have to access it through their Gmails. So because of that, we have created this other way of accessing our virtual classroom. We call it virtual classroom. So basically we use Google Meet, and we will go to maybe something like this, grade 3, and we can go to, let's say, class 5. Yes, we don't have something here. So with this, they don't have to access through their Gmail accounts. They will just go into the app and just click access, and they will go straight to the classroom. So this, you are going to create a Google Meet Google Meet link. So you can just say Google Meet and new meeting. So create a meeting for later, and pick this URL and come here, and you can insert a button, say join classroom, and put your link here, paste that, insert that, and there it is. It's ready. This is now ready, and the good thing is this link will not expire, so your students can access this classroom anytime, anywhere. So it's published. Come here and see view this, so you can view this and test it. It takes us to such a meeting. Yeah, so you can turn on and off your camera, your mic, and this can take up to as many as 100 in a class, just for you to have a one-on-one session with your students. So we'll go back to the next module, which is the classroom notes. So classroom notes is the feature to add digitized notes. So the notes that normally a teacher would present in class, they can put them up and they can make them digitized, maybe typed up or scanned and converted to a Word document, and make it easy. Just come here and publish the content. Just publish, and we can use this is an example. We'll insert another example there. So we just insert text box and come here and get some notes, maybe from notes that you had prepared earlier, and basically just we can have this. For instance, this is this biology, and we'll come here and pick this. Yes, so we can pick this, so this is, yeah, something like this. Just copy it and bring it here and just paste it, and you have your notes. So hit publish. It will show you your draft. It shows you here the changes that you've made. So you've updated this page. It shows you the changes here. Just hit publish, and yes, shows you your site has been updated and published successfully. So if you come down here, you can see that you've added these notes here. So you can have notes. You can have notes that have a quiz below it. So you can just add a quiz, something like this. So these notes here, they have a quiz down here. So you can create this quiz using Google Forms, and it will save on your Google Drive, and you just attach it here so your students can read notes and do an exercise on the same page. So that's going to be quite useful for teachers and students. We'll go to our next, which is assignments. It's the same way to just upload. You just upload assignments. You can have an assignment and a typed assignment or a Google. Let us try and add something like a quiz. So we come here to forms, and you can see here something like this. So just insert that, and you can make a quiz for an assignment and just publish it easily. Yeah, so you see this where your students can try this out. Yes, so just hit publish, and let's view how it looks. Yeah, it looks like this. So it's something students can choose options. They can choose they can read questions and choose options. You can create a quiz that looks whichever way, and just hit submit when they have finished, and it delivers a score, and it can submit the response to the teacher and do so much other kind of content. So we'll go to our next module, which is ebooks library. So this is just a repository for PDF books. So we have an example here. This is, yes, so it looks like this. So you may have your ebooks, and just all you have to do is come and insert them. You'll insert it from, so you'll have to create a drive, and you can manage that drive and now use the drive to upload your books to the drive, and so we can insert this. We can come here and insert this folder that contains our ebooks. So just say insert, and it will bring it here, and once you say publish, this effect will be changed. So it has added this is just for example purposes, and so now we can view it here and see that we have our ebooks here. So we can even test one and see. It will just upload that ebook. So you can have ebooks of any kind and just make them available for your students, and that would make it a very good, easy way of accessing content. So we'll go to our next application here, which is a video library. So this will just take advantage of YouTube content. So we can have YouTube content like videos. Let's say you want to do a video on germination. So we have this videos here. All you have to do is, so we have these videos here that we already published. So we'll just add one here to show. All you have to do is do an embed here. Go to YouTube. We're going to go to YouTube and pick a video from there. We're going to go to YouTube, and we're going to look for a video on germination. So you can see germination in plants, and yes, we have such content, and you can just choose one. You can choose this one, let's say, for instance. And
grammar and spelling
what you have to do is just pick this content,
essays that inspire.
pick this
soil, it begins to grow. This process is called
it.
germination.
Yes, copy it, come here, insert using the embed function, and paste it here, and just do that insert. So when we publish this, we will see that video that we have just updated. Good. So you can say publish, and let's view what we have published, and you can see down here the video that we have just embedded, and it works just
what is germination?
like it would. So this prevents your students from having to go and look for this and being distracted by other YouTube videos. So we'll go to our next application, our next module, sorry, which is now we can go to our next embed, which is exam results. So you can basically post your school's exam results here. Just do pages, and this shows like 2019 term 1, form 1. You can do form 1A and put up results there for form 1A easily. We have this revision center. This one here you can just use for basically for adding content revision, past papers. For instance, here we have this that we had just added. So these are past papers, so you can just add this ones. You also manage from your Google Drive, so we will insert from our drive, and we'll just say this, yes, and then it inserts it here. You can scale it to whichever size you like, and just hit publish. So we'll publish this and then look at how it looks. So good. So this is the draft, and we'll say publish, and we can say view here. So we can view this, and it shows so we can view this and we can say publish here. Yes, we can do this and we can say, we can see you can come here and look at our papers, and we can try and do one paper here. So it's just a PDF that shows something like this. Yes, yes, so we can do also, it shows answers here. Yes, so your students have access to past papers with their answers as well. They can do their own revision at their own time, their own place, location, at home, at school, when they've closed school, and all that. So we'll have our last application here, which is, we have these applications for where you can add applications like Khan Academy, Wikipedia. You can add things like Mwalimu Plus, all the other e-learning applications that you want to have embedded in your application. You can come here and just add. So it's simple. You just create a button and you just insert a button and just go and pick that site. So for instance, here we can say so let us try and do maybe like insert a page for another e-learning application. So we can try and do something like this. Okay, so we can say this is a Mwalimu Plus application, and you can come here, insert a button, and you can say go to Mwalimu Plus. Then all we have to do now is go to Mwalimu Plus and pick that URL. Mwalimu Plus, good. So yeah, we come here and just pick this URL, so your students can have access to this anytime. So just paste it here and then insert it. So the other ones we had done is Khan Academy and Wikipedia, but this is just for tutorial to show you can add any other application to your site. So you can say this. Yes, so we've published that. Let's look at how it looks. Yeah, go to Mwalimu Plus. Yes, so your students can have, this is basically for KCP revision and KCSE revision, but the main thing is you can have any application embedded within the school app and it will work just fine. So for now, this has been the tutorial on how teachers can use this app to edit and add content to the school Android application that we will develop and deliver to the school. This has been Edwin speaking, and would like to encourage your school to use this application to make it easier for your students to access e-learning content. Goodbye for now, and thank you for watching.